welcome back to my channel. Today I am continuing with the coordinate geometry 7.2 exercise. In my previous videos, I have already taught you first sum and second sum. Today I am going to teach you third sum from the same 7.2 exercise, wherein we are going to find the ratio. How to find the ratio? The question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. In this -3, 10 we have to take as x1, y1 and 6, -8 as x2, y2. Dividing point is already given, that is answer is given as -1, 6. We have to find the ratio. So x1, y1 is -3, 10. x2, y2 is 6 and -8. We have to take ratio as m1 is to m2. Take the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. You all already know this formula. We have learned in first and second sum. So you have to take the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. In this, you substitute x1 y1, x2 y1. Just know m1 m2 values, because he is asking to find the ratio. So that means we are going to find m1 value and m2 value, so that we know the ratio. So what substitute only? If m1 like that will be m1, what is x2? 6. Fine. Plus m2, write m2 like that will be substitute x1 -3 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, here also you can, y also you can substitute m1 y2. What is y2? -8 plus m2 y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. That you can equate it to, these two -1, 6 already given in the question. Just here in this formula what we have substituted x1 value, y1 value, x2 value and y2 value and equated it to -1. Just simplify. 6m1, m1 into 6 means 6m1 plus into minus, -3m2 by m1 plus m2. Only x coordinate you take. Only x coordinate. Either we can even take x or y, but here I am taking only x coordinate. That is 6m1 plus into minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to, I can take equate it to minus, because value of this is nothing but minus. Suppose if you are taking y, you can equate to 6. But here I am taking x, so I am equating to minus. So 6m1 numerator, right, like that only, 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to -1. This denominator I am taking to RHS, right side. That means m1 plus m. What happened here? 6 numerator I took 6m1 minus 3m2. Denominator I took that side. So -1 into m1 plus m. So simplify this. 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to minus 1 into m1 is minus m1 minus into plus minus m2 minus 1 into m1 m1 minus into plus minus 1 into m2 m2. Okay. Take m1 6m1. See, RHS minus m1 you are taking to LHS. That is 6m1 minus m1 to that side, which it will become plus m1 is equal to minus 3m2, bring this side, it becomes 3m2 minus m2. What I did here, 6m1 I get like that only. This m1 went into LHS that side, it will become plus m1 is equal to minus 3m2 this side plus 3m2 minus m2 already is there. So 6m1 plus 1m1 is 7m1. 7m1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2m2. So cross multiply m1 by m2, m1 divided by m2 is equal to 2 divided by 7. What I did here, 7 into m1 is 7 into m1, 2 into m2. So when m2 is goes at, it is divided. m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 7 we can write. So therefore m1 is to m2. Divide is ratio only. m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7 answer. This is the answer. m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Students, go through the video without skipping. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.